Ayank reads story very nicely. बिल्लू का स्टोरी आई लाइक दैट स्टोरी. द फिशर फिशिंग ना, फिशिंग किया था ना उसने, बिल्लू ने. फिशिंग बैग मिला. ही गॉट बैक इन फिशिंग. देन इन बैग व्हाट वाज देयर इन बैग?
Diamond.
And diamond. So who has thrown that bag with diamond?
Police.
No. Thief has thrown, na? हाँ. Then police came. What did he did to Billu?
They thanks Baloo.
Yeah.
And take to the thief to the police station and take him to the jail.
Yeah. And what he and also he took Billu to the police station, na? For what? For what?
For to take surprise.
Yeah, for it's not surprise, for prize.
Right.
So Billu received prize from in police station because he has done a wonderful job. He has helped in catching the thief who has stolen diamond. है ना? वाह यार, तुम तो क्वेश्चन आंसर भी सब बना.
बोल जा रहा है. बिल्लू ये बोला उसका, जो जी ये बोला उसका, डॉक्टर है वो ये बोला है. एक इंग्लिश का एक वर्ड मैंने वो भाई डर गया था.
तुम ऐसे ही डर जाते हो.
टूथ वाला बोलना. जो डॉक्टर बिल्लू जो टूथ से एक है, तो उसने उसका पूरा डायलॉग बोला.
चलो खोल के पढ़ के. नहीं मेरा
I
नहीं.
having an ice cream. No, Georgie can't eat it. Why? I having a toothache. Let's go, doctor dentist, to show the will heal it with our tooth.
Look at this and then say.
बोलते जाओ आगे.
What happened, Billu? Doctor, I having a toothache. You get some relief from my medicine? No, doctor. Let me check your tooth. One, two.
Then?
Doctor, how much time to take? Sorry, the pain is not getting over. Let me check your tooth. Your tooth is damaged. You bring us some new book.
Good.
करते दूध तो पूरा.
Let's all go to
Loudly.
some fish
Loudly.
fishing.
Loudly.
Sorry.
Read loudly. Read it. Read it. I'm also listening.
Let's
all go.
Arey.
Let's all go.
wait.
Wait. Papa is interrupting us. What you're doing? Huh? What are you doing? Don't do that. Let's read. Let's go. Open. Let's read. It was such a interesting story, yaar.
Don't do like this.
Don't do like this, yaar. What are you doing, Gaurav?
दूसरा दे वो हटा दिया.
Abhi we are. Let's read this. It was such an interesting story. I didn't read in my childhood. I like Billu. Have you read Chacha Chaudhary book? Yes. Let's get one Chacha Chaudhary book also for him.
Where is it?
Sabu, Chacha Chaudhary.
सुनो.
Where is it?
Later we will read. First this one. I like this. I want to read. I want another one. What you want? You have to
मेरे
tell
पास
me.
ईमेल आईडी एक चाहिए मेरा.
हाँ.
YouTube चैनल दिखाओ.
अपना YouTube चैनल बनाओ.
अपना YouTube चैनल.
Your YouTube channel, na? Ayank Mallik's YouTube channel you want?
No, you.
I have two
बंद हो
YouTube
गया.
channels.
बोलो.
How?
Really?
Oh.
देखो, Ayank Papa is stuck. Ayank is helping. Yeah, Ayank has helped his father.
चल ठीक है अब नहीं होगा. मैं भूल गया.
Let's come. Comics. Which one we want to read? Storybooks.
Ouch.
I said on your. चलो हम लोग read करेंगे. Open it.
Yes.
Which book you are reading? Billu.
Yes.
Let's start.
Oh.
The fisherman one.
Oops.
Start with fisherman. Let's start. ऐसे नहीं. I will tell you. Which one? I like this one, fisherman wala.
Blue.
So this one, na? So now you read.
All go to
Read it loudly, so that all the viewer can see. Listen you.
fishing.
Okay.
The one who catch more fish we will
Well.
win.
Huh.
Okay.
Change the paper. Yeah. Page.
Oops.
Quick. Viewer are listening. Read.
I catched one. I too. What is the question? I got this fish. The useless cap.
Billu, everyone is getting fish, and Billu is getting what he got first. He got a
Shoes.
shoes, and then he got a hat, and then read further.
Got
Read further. Read it loud.
Got the handbag.
Handbag. Okay, handbag he got now. Read. Then.
One catch other fish.
Because he has catch another fish, and he now what did I
what?
get? He's thinking. So
Useless.
handbag. So
Oh,
it has diamond. Oh my God! Lucky Billu. Arey, diamond. Let's see what happens then.
diamond.
Yeah, everyone is surprised. Diamond, is it real? Oh. So, what's written here? They are very
Very proud.
precious.
Precious.
They are very precious.
We should
Yeah.
inform the police.
Yeah, we
I
should.
call the police. It's not required. These diamond I mine the true.
This thief is saying it's not required to call the police. These diamonds are mine.
Mine.
I threw
threw
them in the river
to
escape.
From the police.
Yeah, what does it mean? This thief is saying that these diamonds are mine. I stole these diamonds and thrown it in the river to escape from the police, so that police doesn't caught him. This has happened. This is the story about that.
Hand them over to me.
Yeah, this thief is asking Billu to hand these diamonds to him. So what does Billu does? Let's see. Read it out.
If you
Who is
try
saying? Who is
to
saying?
be
This thief is saying, if you try to be clever, I will shoot. So the thief is threatening. Listen. The thief is threatening Billu and the family. That if you be clever, you will try to be clever, I will shoot you. So don't inform anyone. Give it to me. So let's see next what he says.
All of you, yes,
Vacate this place.
place. Come.
What does it mean? All of you vacate this place. Empty this place. You people go away, run away from here, and give me all these things. So what next? Come.
Oh.
Billu. What Billu does?
Oh.
Billu, hold this, I will tell you. See what Billu is doing. That fishing stick na, with that, what he did, he catch the pistol and threw it out away from thief. So he's saying, "Oh my pistol! What has happened to my pistols?
I
I
got
caught him wonderfully. You caught him wonderfully." This someone has come and he's saying that you caught this pistol wonderfully. He's praising. He's praising the Billu. He's praising Billu. Very angry.
I want
I won't spare you. I will not leave you. He's saying he's
मैं
trying
नहीं
to threaten.
छोड़ूंगा.
हाँ मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Good, right.
First think yourself. Ouch.
Yeah.
I ring.
He tried to overcome Billu, but then
Blue.
now remain like this till the police comes. The heavy person, na, what he did, he
sit
over thief, है ना? And he say, "Oh my God, please leave me." Then what happened?
You don't Billu thank.
नहीं, well done.
Well done, Billu.
हाँ.
Thanks from helping us from officers.
Officers. Well done, Billu. Thanks for helping us, officers. Officers nab him with the stolen diamond.
Stolen diamond.
So the officer, this police officer is saying that thanks, Billu, that you have nabbed this thief. You have helped us in nabbing this thief, and you have helped us in searching this diamond. Really thankful. The police men are thankful to Billu. What he says next?
Come, I show you police surprise.
Come to the police station
To
collect. Spelling read nicely. Collect your
reward.
Reward. Come to the police station to collect the reward. This inspector is saying, come to the saying to Billu that come to the police station. I will reward you because you have helped in catching a thief. Okay, so that is finished. Nice story, yaar. है ना? है ना? It was nice story, na?
Yes.
Yeah, I also love it. Every day we will make one story, okay? Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hill station wala छोड़ो. Leave it and say hi viewers.
Hi viewers.
I'm ayank.
I'm ayank.
See my video, like and subscribe my video.
Subscribe my video.
See, look at them. Hi, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Like and subscribe my video.
Like and subscribe to my video.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Good night. Say.
Good night.
What do you think about health?
Good of health.
Health is?
Health is wealth.
And health is?
Health is precious.
Good, great. So we have to take care of our health, isn't it?
And then we not eat banana, then our body will be
Weak.
Weak.
Yeah.
Then
So every day one banana.
Every morning we want to eat banana.
Yeah, good. And apple a day
Apple a day
keeps doctor away.
keeps doctor away.
Doctor.
Doctor
Away.
away.
Yeah. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
This side, see this.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Good.